Hello, in this tutorial we will learn about rotate command. So rotate command is in modify panel under home tab, or you can use shortcut for rotate as RO. This is for rotate command and this shortcut as RO, okay? Or you can go here in modify panel and this is the icon for rotate. I will just click here to activate this one. As in command line you can just see here it is prompting as select a object, okay? So I just want to rotate this rectangle on specific angle, okay? So I will click this one and I will just select this one, okay? Now I will hit enter to make the selection complete, okay? Now here you can see it is prompting again as specify the base point. So the base point is a point around which it will rotate, okay? So it is a fixed point. So I will click here. I want to just rotate around this point, so I will click this one. Now here you can see specify rotation angle. You can just give random point here as well, like this. I can click here to rotate it here, or you can just give angle. So for example, right now I want to just rotate along 45 degree. So I will just enter 45 value. You do not need to enter a symbol of angle, only you need to enter a data value, okay? So I will hit enter. Now you can see it is rotating around 45 degree and the base point was this point, okay? So you can check from here. It was completely horizontal and from this point to this point it is 45 degree. I will go here and in rotate option I will just go in dimension option and I will just select angular and I can check it whether it is 45 or not. Yes, it is 45 degree, okay? Now let me just escape this one from here. We will just learn about these dimensions in very detail in next tutorials, okay? So don't worry about this. Again, I want to rotate this line. As you can see, this is also completely horizontal, so it will just rotate along this axis, okay? This x-axis, and when I will give angle, it will rotate along this. So I will just go here and in rotate option, I will select particular object. I will hit enter and again I will just give as base point this, so I want to rotate it along this, okay? And in this time I just want to rotate it as 90 degree angle. I will hit enter, so it is completely vertical right now, okay? Because this was the point, okay, along which it rotates, okay? And this is point 0 degree and from here it is 90 degree. Now let me just delete this one. Again we have one more here. You can see it is inclined to 29 degree and I want to rotate it 30 degree more, okay? So we will see how to do that. I will just go here in rotation option. I will select this object. I will hit enter. Now I will just give this point as a base point because I want to rotate along this axis, okay? Not the horizontal, because this line is inclined to 29 degrees. So now this will rotate from this point to this point, okay? So I will just give this point as a base point. Now here you can see one more option, that is copy. So if you want to just make a copy, so in this case I will just select copy and I want to just give here a angle of 30 degree, for example, okay? So I will just give 30 degree. I will hit enter. Now you can see it is just rotating from this point to this point as 30 degree, okay? Not, it did not took this point as a base point, okay? Because this line was already inclined to 29 degree and total from this point to this point will be 30 degree and total from this point to this point will be 59 degree. So let's check this one. I will go here in angular option and let me check this one. Okay, this one, you can see here this is 30 degree from this point to this point and the total will be 59 degree, okay? So we can check this from this point to this point, okay? You can check it 59 degree. So this is all about rotation in AutoCAD. Hope you understand this session.